not be used. Hi everybody, I'm Dr. Darpan Kaur, and in today's video, let's talk about the difference between fermentation using a hot water bottle and ice pack applications. If you've ever sustained an injury on the outside of your body and have been confused as to whether you needed to apply ice or a hot water bottle on the injured area, then you need to watch this. Before we continue further, make sure you subscribe to my channel for more content on medicine and healthcare. That said, let's move on to the rest of the video. So here's what heat does to your body. First, it causes your blood vessels to expand. This leads to an increase in oxygen, nutrients, antibodies, and white blood cells to that particular area. This can drastically flare up infections and make bleeding worse. Second, it increases inflammation and swelling owing to the expansion of your blood vessels. Third, prolonged heat exposure will eventually cause your heart rate to increase and your blood pressure to drop. This can eventually lead to fainting. Heat also does a couple of beneficial things for your body. For one, it promotes soft tissue healing. It also causes a sedative effect. It facilitates waste removal by increasing the lymphatic drainage, and lastly, it promotes muscle relaxation, thereby relieving muscle soreness. That said, where should heat application be avoided? Heat application should be avoided for the first 24 hours following any traumatic injury, as this will lead to an increase in bleeding and swelling. Second, do not apply heat if you're actively bleeding from any part of your body. Third, avoid heat application by all means if there is a swelling on your face or any part of your body which may have been caused by an infection. An infection can often manifest as the presence of pus. Fourth, do not apply heat on any unusual growths that you may find on your body. Get them checked out by a doctor. At the same time, heat application can be used in the later stages of healing where any external wounds have completely healed and to ease any muscle soreness. Now let's talk about the effects of cold on our body. Application of cold will cause your blood vessels to constrict. This leads to fewer inflammatory mediators pooling at the site of injury, leading to a decrease in inflammation, swelling, and muscle spasms. Cold application will also help reduce bleeding owing to the constriction of blood vessels that it causes. So where can we use ice packs, you ask? Cold application can be used after sustaining severe injuries, sprains, or bruises. They can be used as long as pain, heat, and swelling are present in the area of injury. They also help with migraines. And of course, cold sponging works wonders when you're suffering from high fever. Cold application should not be used for more than 30 minutes in a particular area, and it should be avoided by people who suffer from conditions involving impaired circulation. While cold and hot fermentation both offer wonderful advantages when used appropriately, they can also worsen conditions if used carelessly. However, when in doubt, cold application followed by a hot fermentation after 24 to 48 hours is usually a safe route to take. Alright everybody, I hope this clears up at least some of your doubts. For any further clarifications, please drop your queries in the comment section. If you found this video helpful and informative, please hit like and subscribe for more content on medicine and healthcare. Bye bye and see you.